So you want to cook up a big old batch of fantastic chili?
Well, this is a simple recipe. Just brown ground beef, onion, and garlic. Add canned tomatoes and beans and seasoning.
I have the written recipe on my website, so you can click it below or at the end of this video. But honestly, this is such an easy recipe that you'll probably just have it memorized after making it once.
To make special butter pats for cornbread, add a pinch of crushed red peppers and parsley to each tablespoon of butter. Keep your knife in place while turning the butter, then refrigerate. To make cheese twills, grate cheddar or Colby cheese finely, place in thick rounds piled high. They will melt paper thin and larger. Flatten evenly ever so slightly, then bake in a 400-degree oven until lightly brown. They will be soft and flexible. Peel them when slightly cool to handle. I bent mine at a 90-degree angle by using a square form and pressing them against something flat until they hardened. For the chili, finely chop 1 medium onion to fill 1 cup, and mince 3 large cloves of garlic very finely for 1/8 cup. My recipe is really low fat. I start with lean ground beef and just brown that together with the onion and garlic over medium-high. When browned, add a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, a 16-ounce can of kidney beans with spicy chili sauce, and a 15-ounce can of pinto beans. And all of your spices are in just 1 tablespoon of this rub.
Made for grilling chicken, pork, steak, and more, but it has every ingredient in it that you need to make fantastic chili. It has kosher salt, pepper, cumin, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and some things that you might not normally put in your chili, like a habanero powder mix.
So just add 1 tablespoon of your secret seasoning mix, and your chili is going to win any chili cook-off. Just stir occasionally and simmer over low for about an hour, covered. To make the cornbread the way I have them plated, cut rounds out of a sheet pan of cornbread. If you bake your cornbread too long, the edges will be brittle, so pull it from the oven when it's lightly brown, press your cutter through while it's warm and soft, remove and cut in half. Your chili will have the perfect balance of beans, lean beef, fresh onions and garlic, and special spices. Serve with the cornbread topped with a savory and slightly spicy butter, a cheddar cheese twill, dollop of sour cream or Greek yogurt, fresh snipped chives, and a garnish of long chives and oregano to enhance the aroma of the oregano in that spice blend.
And most importantly, obviously, I have the link for your secret spices below. Hickey Bottom is an awesome company. It's run by a woman, and all of her ingredients are non-GMO. In her barbecue sauces, there's no fructose corn syrup added. I mean, just check out their website. You will be extremely impressed.
Warm and wonderful.
And you gotta make this.
See all of my videos. Don't forget to click subscribe.